Okay, so to continue with our exercise, the next step is to select that voucher and pay with a computer check. Okay, so to do that, you select payable, accounts payable, and under select vouchers to be paid. Okay, and when you select this option, the system typically would show a list of open invoices from all the vendors. Okay, and you can just pick and choose whichever one you want to pay and whichever method. So in this case, we're going to stay with this example of voucher 1243 with the invoice number 1234 for $250.30. Okay, so to select this voucher, all you have to do is just double click on it, and sometimes you get this warning which says the voucher is not due yet because typically you have a net 30, but we are paying early and it has a discount to it. So if I select yes, pay now, you can see that it's selected and the full amount is less than what it's the balance. Okay, the balance is $250.30, but the check amount is actually only for $247.80 because it took a $202.50 discount. Now, you also have the option of editing. You can edit this payment and adjust the amount. So you can do a partial. You don't have to pay the full amount, and you don't even have to pay with computer check. If you want to pay with electronic transfer, you can edit the amount, change the discount, change the payment type, and key in the check or document number. If you do it by electronic transfer, you can do so by the various types here from the drop down. So we're going to stay with just the computer check, pay the full amount with the discount against this payment. Okay, I'm going to save this. And certainly you can repeat this process of selecting multiple vouchers for the same vendor or for multiple vendors, and the system would know how to group the various payments for different vendors and different amount. And we will have another video to show you how you can apply payments with credits. In other words, if you have a credit memo amount against open invoices, you can apply against them without having to pay the full amount. In other words, let's say if you want to apply the credit against an open invoice and then just pay the remaining balance. We'll do that in another video under a different exercise. But for now, we're going to just simply pay a single voucher for this ABC supplies for the full amount with a single payment by check, by computer check of C type. Okay, so to finalize the payment batch, all you do is just select process payment. Okay, and it will go through the exercise of processing all the transactions, and then it would say, okay, about to print the checks from the default checking account number associated with your default computer check. You say yes, okay, here. Okay, so this is a list of pending check or check register, if you will, for this account, default account. And I can go ahead and feed in the check number when you're ready. If it's a laser type, and typically it is, you can just put in the starting check number. If you have multiple check for this batch, all you need to do is just feed in the check in the tray and put in the starting check number. Okay, so let's say 51234. Okay, and print. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and print or preview this. I'm going to go ahead and print. Okay. All right, so it's printing now. All right, so when it's done, I'll just exit out. Okay, now if you look at the ABC supplies, okay, you can see that it's been selected, and it should, once it's done, it will assign the correct check number to that voucher.